Goodbye, concentration when it comes to food.
Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. I don't want to mess it up.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to our notification gang. Thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Thank you. In today's video, we are on day 2 of the honeymoon vlog and we are at the marina on Whitsundays, Hamilton Island. So on this day we decided to take the Jet Rider, which is this super fast boat that you guys will get to see. So at this point we are just getting checked in, signing all the things that need to be signed, doing COVID things, checking in, all that kind of jazz. At the same time, hyping yourself up just to make sure you're pumped and you know what's about to happen. At this point, we really had no idea what was about to happen. We didn't even know that we were going to get drenched. So that was very interesting. At the same time, we had to sign to make sure that if we die, that nobody is held responsible other than ourselves.
So I'll flip my camera around. That big one is the reef rider. So I was wondering, okay, it's driving off. The drivers were standing, which is that tiny one. And I'm sure it's gonna be moving really quickly. Yay, us! So you wanted the reef rider?
I wanted to reef ride, you know.
I thought you said jet rider.
So no wonder all those little kids were there. I was like, these little kids. They're not going on that one.
After we had done all the checking in, we got fitted for our life jackets, took some selfies, of course, and then headed out to the boat. So when we had gotten to the boat, we had decided that we wanted to sit at the front, but the driver, Jack, decided he had other plans, so he sat us at the back. I still think to this day it was a bit of sabotage, but you tell me.
Ready?
So our driver, Jack, I think, had pre-warned us that before he starts to do his little whoopee swirls or whatever, he will do a countdown. So this is what you guys see here. He's bracing us so we know exactly what's about to go down, and so we hold on. Trust me, you have to hold on because you literally feel like you're about to fly out of that boat when he finally does swish the boat around. We were also given a brief tour of some of the islands that we were passing, some of the other places on Hamilton Island that we weren't able to see.
Like all the big ones, like Dance Island, the big ones are like that. Hamilton, Lindeman, all the ones that need sort of infrastructure on, they usually have leases from government. So that one, family from Brisbane, have got a big cattle farming empire. They own that.
At this point, we thought everything was going according to plan as per normal. Jake, whatever his name is, decided to do his count. We were about to spin. He counted us down. We were prepared. We braced ourselves, and then we got the shock of our life. My boy decided to give us a bath. Prepared for this. I was definitely not prepared for this, and I swear this was sabotage because all the water went straight into our area. From this point on, there was water in our section, like completely. Our feet were covered in water. Interesting and quite fun that, you know, while you were calming down from the whiplash you just had, you were learning a bit of information about the island.
How was the ride for you?
Other than being completely...
Are you not gonna catch the green bus?
We're wet. We're completely soaked. Nobody will allow us on the bus.
Look how drenched she is.
And then I was on the far left, I got it all. I got all of it. Every time he did his loop, I got it. Every time he did his loop, I got it.
So you thought you were not going to get wet in that?
I knew we were going to get wet, but I didn't think we'd get saturated. There's a difference between wet and saturated.
Why didn't you ask questions before getting on?
It was too late. We were already there and dressed.
Would you get on it again?
Yes, I would.
Oh, okay. There we go. You highly recommend it?
I definitely highly recommend it.
Okay.
Now I have to go wash my hair. And I didn't bring shampoo and conditioner.
Well, you thought they would provide it there, the jet ride?
Don't you complain about my baggage if I had bought my shampoo and conditioner?
Okay, alright. Maybe we'll end the video there.
Oh.
Incoming domestic. So there's the green bus, which
we would have been waiting for ages there.
We were meant to catch.
It's only leaving and we're getting here now.
So that bus moves around every 10 minutes. That is our hotel there. We're gonna go up those lifts very soon. I'll try and film what it's like to be in the lifts. We are in the 14th floor on that side. Yeah, these lifts are pretty cool. And the view up there is pretty cool. You want a photo there?
When we're looking nice, not so.
She said when we're looking nice.
Not
This is where the magic happens. What do you mean? Did I say something wrong?
Yeah. Katiyo, Atsimire. Yeah. Baby wouldn't go da. Baka wanda vano kuda. Paharare wakosha. Kunge mayusa. Chanda piwa na mwari ndino tobatisa. Baby girl wanjidi kukurasisa. Baby girl wanjidi kukustressa. Joto kupaka ni love yaka isa. Can you be the mommy and I'll be the daddy? When it comes to our love, I'll fight like a soldier in the army. Kana zimu ya kubowa hande Japan. Tatoka tavene new style and pattern. Just to make you happy, baby, that is my plan. Wanna be everything that you need in a man. That is my plan. Zuva rese ndo kufunga. Ndakarara ndo kurota. Like kukusua kwenye fumisa, baby.